Commodore Hotel Gyeongju. 4 stars. Commodore Hotel Gyeongju Chosun is located within walking distance of Bomun Tourism Complex. It offers rooms with air conditioning, cable TV and wired internet access. The Commodore Hotel has extensive gardens and an outdoor swimming pool surrounded by a terraced area. There are also tennis courts for guests to use. The location was perfect for a weekend getaway. So much to do and so beautiful. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Staff are kind. Room is large. Breakfast is good. Stayed in Hilton last week and had a not happy experience about canceling. Now changed to Commodore. Convenience store. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.